Many people are losing faith only because of the hardships they are going through. They see no way out. Besides, at times considering suicide and even fulfilling that. May Allah protect us. Remember one thing, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has prohibited suicide. He clearly says in the Quran, "And do not ever kill yourselves. Indeed, Allah is the most merciful upon you." Look at how Allah connects the mercy of Allah. When it comes to the issue of suicide and the discussion of suicide, we all need to know Allah's mercy overtakes any problem or issue that we have. At times, we have critical matters. We think there is no way out. We have lost a job. We don't know where our income is going to come from. Rely on Allah. Trust Allah. It is a matter of time. After darkness, the light will come. You need to continue. You need to thank the Almighty for whatever you have. In Surah Ibrahim, Allah says, if you were to try and count the favors of Allah upon you, you would not be able to count them all. Indeed, man is oppressive and very ungrateful. So show gratitude unto Allah. Look at what Allah has given you. He has given you so much. Your faculties of hearing, your sights, your nose, your face, your bodies and your organs. And even if you are unwell and you have lost one or two of these, Allah has given you the rest and Allah has granted you so much. You have a place where you can sleep at night. You have a little bit of food to keep you surviving. That essential minimum, Allah will continue to provide it, even in the face of hardship and difficulties. You need to make an effort to try, and Allah will do the rest. Remember, there is nothing that we should be killing ourselves over. May Allah grant us a deep understanding. However, it is normal for human beings to feel low at times. It is normal for human beings to be overthinking at times. It is normal for someone to have a little bit of anxiety at times. But remember, lay your trust in Allah, number one. Believe in Allah. Understand with the conviction that Allah will resolve your matter. Every single person goes through hardships. There is no soul from among those living on earth right now who has everything they have ever desired for. Not a soul. If this world were free of problems, paradise would have lost its value. What would have been the point of going into heaven when already we have a place where nothing goes wrong? So Allah, for us to understand, has kept the earth in a way that He is going to test us in it. He is never going to give us every single thing we desire until the day we enter paradise.